Good morning, everyone. This is Mr. McWilliams, and with the news that we are going to be on a digital learning environment for the remainder of the year, I've decided to take an effort to make things more organized. A lot of you are used to coming to edsby and checking for new assignments or updates here. Okay, but that gets kind of confusing, and things get added and things get lost. So I've made an attempt to make things more organized. Now I will still post some announcements here, but everything that you're supposed to do during the week as far as assignments, attendance, polls, notes, things like that are going to be in a different section called the content section. So you can find the content section over here under the student section. You can see your classmates, and then you'll see content. Okay, so for this week, I've made a section for each day, and I'm going to do that every week. You'll see Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, and it has every single thing I'd like you to do for each day. So yesterday, you were supposed to watch an edsby video, but I decided to create my own. Then there was a Zoom meeting at 2:15. You click it, and it takes you right to it. Okay, pretty streamlined. Okay, the next assignment was to begin student notes. Now, sometimes I'm getting questions, Mr. McWilliams, what section are we supposed to be working on? I don't know what to do. This tells exactly what I want you to do. You'll use the PowerPoint below, which is right here, to complete the student notes on ICEV. The link is provided below. You'll receive a grade once it's completed in ICEV. So I'll go to ICEV and I'll check that you've done it. And once you've done it in ICEV, you're good. So once you've started the notes for Tuesday, you can mark complete. And then I'll see that you've started working on it. Okay? Then we're going to go to today. I had an attendance poll that I allowed for today. So you go to there. Take the attendance poll, mark it complete. Then we're going to go to vocab. Sometimes it takes a little bit of load. But this will have a description of what I would like you to do, and it also has the vocab attached. And it has a link directly to the vocab, so you don't even have to type in ICEV. I've provided the links for you because I'm trying to make it as least hectic as possible and organized. Okay. Then, as you can see, there's going to be a link to the assessments. They'll take you right to them. All you have to do is log into ICEV. And same goes for the rest of it. This is very helpful. You guys will be very happy that we've done it this way because it'll save a lot of time with questions and confusion. I hope everyone has a great week, and I miss you guys, and I hope everyone's doing well.